Alright guys, well, I'm going to get on the car just a tad bit, see what you all think. Still not broken in, so I'm not going to give it a whole lot of throttle, probably about 50%. But even at that, and misfiring in one cylinder, and this is stock tune. Let's see how it goes. Give me 1 second to get up this hill. I'm just so scared to really get on it. I can feel the pull, the kick. I mean, like I said, about 50% throttle. And it just, I mean, it really wants to go. Drop it down a little bit lower. I mean, it sounds good, without a doubt. But, once she is broken in, next week sometime, I will give, and you know, vacuum leak's fixed and got the different tune in, I'll go ahead and give it another shot. This time I'll get on it for the first time, wide open throttle. And we'll see how she acts. Good deal.